In this video, the lovely and talented Clara Nieto is going to share some simple and elegant styling options for some of casino's most common terms. She's presenting the movements as if you've already completed the isolations, body movement, and arm drills that are also part of the course Casino Fundamentals. But even as a standalone video, it is a good quick reference guide to give you some ideas to help develop your style. If you'd like to pick up the course, you can get it at its holiday price of just $49 through January 15th. The link and information is in the description, but for now, I hope you enjoy Lady Styling with Clara.
Dile que no with a little bit of styling. If we are disconnected with this hand, 1, 2, 3, we want to start the movement with the elbow pointing out. We refill until the shoulder line, and then we finish 5, 6, and 7, and they will be asking the hand at the end. Let's repeat that. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I will also recommend to look at your hand so you can connect with your own movement. Okay, we have two options for your styling into Vacila. The first will be a basic arm draw with both of your arms. Remember, when you reach the top, do not break your frame. Push your shoulders down. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. We have a second variation for your Vacila, so we'll be just putting your hands on your hips or your waist. So if you find yourself in a social that is too crowded, works. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. When we do the movement Vacila, connected with our partners, in order to do not crash, we maybe don't want to like put the arm out, but to do not do it so simple as just the frame, we can just maybe put it here. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. For Rodeo movement, we can have just the basic position of our frame. We can put the hand on our hip or wrist, or we can have like a arm to the side, not straight, not up, not T-Rex, but with the elbow creating this shape a little bit down. Send energy through your fingers a little bit. If you want to press a little bit with your middle finger, that will look nice. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So that will be the first option. The second option will be there. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. During Pasito, when you are connected in this position, you can stay with your frame, basic frame. You can put your arm out, but I think it would be nice to just give it a little movement. So waving your arm, lead it by your elbow always, will be nice to just reveal the movement that you both have, right?
Eat dizzy.
Yes. For Enchufa, I would recommend ladies to do not keep your arm too far from your body. Don't open so much. Keep it close so we don't want to crash, right? Keep it close to your body. And also track your partner. When you turn with your arm connected to your body. We don't want to be, and then track them. Let's do pati pa mi with a little bit of styling. After the first Enchufa, we want to raise the arm, a basic arm draw, what we practice on the exercise, starting with your elbow, and then 5, 6, 7 with the shimmy on your shoulders.
Hey, we didn't count again. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Let's do Exhibela. What we will use is a basic arm draw when we go out. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. It's like painting a wall, simulating like a painting movement, super soft, and then going back and land on your partner's shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1. Let's start with paseala. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, pause. So every time we have these kind of movements, when we are like grab like this, like a bro shake, we wanna put our left arm or hand that is free on the leader's shoulder so you can preserve your frame. And it's also helpful for them when they lead you to the other side. That we want to complete with this arm draw. I will be slowly reaching the position, not like it's not pop, but will be like slowly reaching, starting by your elbow. 1, 2, touch, and let's go with the Coca-Cola. What I would recommend that is in the middle of the movement, if we can do it slow, 3, 5, you start rotating when you raise your arms. If you want to make sure you want to keep your frame, a good way is to grab your own wrist with your frame set and then finish the turn and like open like a pop. And put your arms down by your elbows also. Search for their shoulder and then finish the movement. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 1, and 5, 6, 7.
I hope these options and the concepts behind them were helpful. You should be able to get some good mileage out of them because these are for turns that you'll run into all the time dancing casinos socially. For a closer look at the drills and techniques that go into making the movements look how they do when Clara does them, the course is on sale through January 15th. You can check out some samples of the material on this playlist right here. For a more in-person approach, we've got some fun dates coming up. If you can come through, we'd love to see you.